Hey guys, this is Preeti here and welcome back to another video. Today's video is a step-by-step tutorial on eye look that is inspired from our very own lady superstar Nayanthara. She has owned this eye look a zillion times in so many movies and many of the award functions as well. For this look, you will need exactly 4 things only, and that is a black eyeshadow, brown eyeshadow, a black kajal, and voluminous mascara. So let's get started. Prime your eyelids and set them in place, and pick up the brown eyeshadow you already have in a flat eyeshadow brush and place them gently on the crease. Once you're done, pick up a clean blending brush and blend them away. I added a little bit more to intensify the brown shade on my left eye. Feel free to intensify the crease color how much ever you like, but just don't go overboard. This is how your eye should look at this stage. Now pick up your black kajal. I'm using the one from Lakme, and line your upper lash line as close to the lash line as possible. Now pick up a small smudging brush and smudge them gently. If you don't have a smudging brush, you can even use a Q-tip. Since kajals dry up a little bit faster, it is better to work with one eye at a time than doing both the eyes together. Once you're done, do the same thing on your other eye. Now pick up the black eyeshadow in any eyeshadow brush and place them on the kajal that you smudged right now. Now go back to your smudging brush again and smudge the black color to make them look a little bit more softer. Repeat the same thing on your other eye. With any pencil brush that you already have, or even a Q-tip, pick up the brown eyeshadow and place them right above the black eyeshadow on your eyelids. While doing this, use the windshield motion to blend both the colors in so that it creates a gradient effect. This one step is going to help your eye look a little bit more softer, and you can see the difference right here. Now repeat these same steps on the other eye as well. I felt like my crease needed a little bit more color, so I went back to the crease brush and picked up the color brown and used it on my crease and blended them again with the same blending brush that I used first. And whatever was left in the brush, I'm taking it to the inner crease of my eye. Moving on to my lower lash line, pick up the color black and a small smudging brush that we used earlier and smoke them out. Be as close to your lash line as possible. We don't want to end up with panda eyes. Now we are going back to the crease brush. Pick up the brown color and smoke your lower lash line. Make sure you're placing them right below your black eyeshadow. We just want to create the shadow there and not place them on top of each other. Use the windshield motion again to soften your lower lash line. This is how your eye should look at this stage. With the same Lakme kajal, I'm using it to line my waterline and also to tightline. Finally, it's mascara time. In most of the pictures, Nayanthara doesn't look like she has false lashes on, but her lashes are super voluminous. Since we're doing a look that is wearable on everyday basis, I used a primer wand and mascara and made sure it doesn't have that much clumpiness or thickness, but the right amount just to lift the whole look together. If you don't have this mascara, you can use any mascara that will give you the same result. Just make sure your lashes look separated and are not clumpy and clinging onto each other. And that's it. Hope you guys liked this video. If you did, please do give it a big thumbs up, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell button next to it so that you don't miss any of my future videos and you get notified every time I come online. Bye guys.